Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how photographers can fund new gear with Kabbage. Now, photography is all about gear, and gear isn't cheap. Whether you're shooting weddings, products, or portraits, Kabbage can help you to stay sharp. And here's how. Upgrade cameras or lenses. Now, don't let outdated gear hold back your work. Use a Kabbage drawer to level up to the next lens or a full frame body. Improve lighting and studio setup. Now, great lighting makes all the difference. Invest in strobes, modifiers, or backdrops to elevate your shots, and you can access those with funds that you can get from Kabbage. Step 3, cover travels or session costs. Now, you can book that dream location shoot, or you can take on a remote client. With Kabbage funds covering the upfront expenses, you don't have to worry about anything. Build a marketing pipeline. Now, you can use part of your funds to run Facebook or Instagram ads that are targeting your niche, wedding brands, or families. These are all possible with Kabbage because that extra funds makes it so much easier to do this. Your creativity deserves the best tool. Now, with Kabbage, you don't have to wait to level up. You can level up anytime you want and, have a great life. And that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.